and gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. So guys, now wait is over. Here we have officially launched Babu Trump now, and our official website is now ready for the viewers. So here is welcome to Babu Trump. Guys, here I will tell you about Babu Trump tokenomics roadmap and how you can buy, and our completely bluish graph of coin market cap and dex screener here. So I will give you a complete review about Babu Trump. You have to don't miss any part of the video, guys, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You can simply join here. So guys, before starting their further amazing review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, Victoria always come with an amazing awesome platform for my viewers, for my audience. So here is a complete review about Babu Trump. And guys, I have to say something, that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So Babu Trump is the ultimate meme token that combines the charisma of Donald Trump with the power of viral memes. Inspired by the success of tokens like Peep, Babu Trump is here to ride hype wave created by Trump's historic electronic victory. So this is our official contract address. Here you can see on my screen. You have to copy this, and guys, this is our tokenomics. Discover the pillars of our ecosystem. Here is our total supply, that is 2 billion of Babu Trump, and this is the initial burn. 50% of the total supply burn at launch and increasing scarcity. So this is the transaction fee on buys and sale, that is the 8%. 5% to the liquidity that ensures price stability and sports token growth. 3% for the marketing dedicated to expanding Babu Trump reach and attracting new investors. So contract has been renounced here, and this is the about our roadmap journey. The journey to the moon starts here. We have to divide it in different phases. In phase 1, we have to launch token, initial burn, dex listing. Phase 2, massive marketing champions and viral meme creations. Phase 3, we have to do decentralized exchanging like AX and holders, and then we have to do global expansion through strategic partnerships and strengthening the Babu Trump brand. Here how you have to buy. Guys, you have to set up your wallet. Which wallet? Right, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet, then you can buy. So here you have to hold it and watch it to the great join the revolution. We are building more than a token. We are creating a global community for Babu Trump supporters. So be a part of this historic journey. Here are our links about coin market cap, Twitter, Telegram, dex screener. You have to check out this is our dex screener review, guys. Here you can see that our bluish graph here, and is you can see our current price, that is about 0.2133, and it will be increases total market cap. Here you can see that our liquidity, our holders, and here you can see that all of the transaction holders who have buy this. And guys, this is our coin market cap review. Here you can see that our price of Babu Trump, now it's completely bluish. When you join, it will be completely bluish, guys, and you have to must join here, and you have to also invite your family and friends at this awesome platform. So guys, this is our Telegram community where you have to join. So guys, this is our official Twitter account where you have to follow, like, retweet, and comment. Here is our latest announcement of Babu Trump ad. Here you join, here you must get lot of profits here. So I hope you like my video, guys. See you next video, and you have to stay connected, stay tuned with us for the further updation. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.